hear the rain fall. It's gonna do this all day. You watch. But we're going to Biltmore anyway. All right, off to the rain we go. Lights off. I'm gonna leave porch light on.
Go ahead.
Well, no, I guess I'm not. Car's unlocked. It's wet.
Welcome to Christmas at Biltmore.
In the rain.
Oh, your nest not so blurry. Well, we're here. We're cold and we're wet.
Very.
But this is some of the doings at Biltmore Estates, the parts they let you into before they let you into the house itself. Dummy operating this iPhone because it's too wet to pull out the good camera, and I had the camera on the iPhone on time lapse when we were getting out of the car, so this is the first you get to see of us. But anyway, on we go. Morning.
Hang in there, it's dry inside.
Okay.
Hold him to that.
I know.
Music room. I don't see his stack of Marshall amps anywhere. And into the library. Mother Nature once again conspiring against us. one. I want one. Can we have one? Can we have one? Can we have one? Can we have one? Please, please.
Our house isn't big enough.
So. Headed to the other side of the estate, so the winery, looking for some grub. Or some partier grub.
Yes.
They got grub here, but because we've been walking this palatial estate
In the rain.
in the rain and haven't had anything to eat except some samples. Good samples, but samples nonetheless. Gotta get back on the bus though. Now this is going to be interesting.
I'm not hauling the camper, so chances are pretty good. Lots of horses. Ah.
About flooded out.
Definitely some trails are.
Pretty damn good, let me tell you. In case you couldn't tell. Pretty good.
Very good.
Pretty good. Pretty good. All right.
Especially if you like pickles.
Well, yeah, half of us do. So that works out.
The perfect marriage.
Somebody who likes pickles and somebody who doesn't.
Somebody who eats them for you.
Right.
That's a nutcracker.
Uh-oh.
Holy nutcracker.
Now, I'll tell you, I personally have no interest at all in tasting wine. I might want to taste beer, but I don't. I have no craving to taste wine, so I'll just watch you do that.
Fine. So my next party of two right here. You're all going to become follow you this way. Too many choices. Well, it finally stopped raining for a little while. But now we have a traffic jam because the roads are flooded.
Okay, now I've seen the house. I consider this part of the attraction, I mean. Real film noirish. That's the mystery of the occasion.
That is just creepy.
Okay, let's go find ice cream.
Ice cream.
Sugar. Sugar. Confection sugar. Refined sugar. Energy shot. Ice cream. Ice cream. Good God, look at that. That's huge.
Wow.
And we are back
And exhausted.
from a at least 12, if not 13-hour day of Biltmore Estates.
And rain.
And rain.
And grumpy people mad about traffic.
Well, I'll tell you what, I am glad that I finally got to see the place.
Well, good. I'm glad you finally got to see the place.
And I would recommend it to anybody that wants to do it. But I qualify what I'm saying by the disclaimer that the experience I had today is a far from optimal experience. I was impressed by the grounds, what I saw of the grounds.
Right.
I was impressed by the architecture. I was impressed by the interiors. But there's no denying the atrocious weather played a part on dampening the experience. The lighting was off during the day. The dank air kind of took a lot of the wind out of a lot of people's sails. I mean, again, I'm confident that had it been pristine weather and conditions, I would have had a lot more positive experience. I had a positive experience as it was, but I understand that the day kind of watered things down, no pun intended.
True. And I hate that you didn't get to see it in optimal weather. Biltmore Estate is a beautiful, beautiful place to be. Spring and summer are definitely better for outdoors with the flowers and all of that you can enjoy the grounds more. Wintertime is a little bit harder and the weather's unpredictable. In the mountains, you might have rain, snow, flooding.
But all the Christmas stuff was lovely. I mean, don't get me wrong. I was lucky enough to see that. So again, I hate to say that I didn't like it, because I did, but I know I could have liked it better, is what I guess is the short version of what I'm trying to say. But yeah, some other time.
Yeah.
On that note, we're going to bed.
Yes.
Catch you people later.